This is not for 5-year-old and also babies.
Yeah, it's not for babies because there are little parts in the toy.
Hello Cebu!
Hello world!
Hello Earthlings!
Welcome back to our channel.
For today's video,
We're going to do a toy review. So the name of the toy is MOULD and PAINT and Cute Pet. The company is...
for mold and paint finest plaster casting kits.
And I get this from the unboxing video. You should check it out.
Yes.
This is also a fridge magnet here. Like, the contents are mold with 6 design, plaster, powder, magnets, paint, 6 color paint, strip, paintbrush, and detail. We're making 6 cute pets.
Now we're going to open the toy.
There it is, and there's nothing else. Go.
Next.
So,
So there is a manual for safety and instructions. The mold and paint. So hard to make.
I know, but we have to do it. It will be fun. These are the pets to mold and paint.
So we are going to need a cup, 2 bowls for the plaster, and that's it. With the cup, we put water in it, and the bowls, we put the plaster for the mold.
We're going to do the molding.
I'll get water.
Okay. Ooh, powder. White pen.
I'm putting the plaster to the bowl. Then after I put it in the bowl, I'll put some water on it.
I'm gonna put this on the trash can. It's so white. So you can buy it from Toy Kingdom or any toy store.
So now I'm going to pour the plaster into the mold.
After molding the pet, you paint and then you put magnets. So you can put it on the fridge if you want, or you don't like. If you don't like, then just don't. I don't know what are the pins for though.
It's for pulling out the mold stuff.
Oh, right. The plaster is going down to the floor and it will be a mess. But we'll clean it. We're gonna clean everything when it's done. I did to paint and decorate.
So we'll wait for 1 hour for it to dry. And after it dries, we're gonna paint it with this.
So comment down below if you want me
And me.
to do another toy review.
1 hour later.
So after an hour, it's already hard.
So we're going to paint! Yay!
Yes, we are ready to paint. But first,
What?
we need the brush,
And the paint
the magnet,
and the water. So let's start, shall we?
no red.
I don't know. Maybe it's just a mixed color. Here's the instruction for the mixed color.
Let's see who has the best design and color for the pet.
It's gonna be me.
Nice.
It's me.
So it's gonna be a contest who has the best design.
Too hard to go to the ear though. There you go. Too shaky.
Gonna win.
I'm too shaky.
Kuya Vince will win.
No, it's gonna be me. I know. Alright.
I'm gonna paint 3 and you paint 3. This is mine, okay?
Okay, this is mine.
I'm done with my dog.
Show it.
It's still wet.
Okay.
Also, comment down below what is your favorite animal. There's black cat, right?
Yeah, there is a black cat.
So this is the cat I painted, and I'm gonna paint the next pet.
What is that yellow thing
What?
in the cat?
Oh, it's the ribbon.
1 point for Kuya Vince and 1 point for Anishka. What are you going to paint next?
I think I'm going to the parrot.
Oh, the parrot. How about you, Kuya Vince?
I'm still painting our bunny.
Bunny. You're painting the bunny.
I'm painting the beak as the yellow because, of course, beak is always the yellow. Alright. Think it's good. I guess Vince will win until I'm still the second. Yeah, I know this is white, but I'll make the feathers look different because I don't like the feathers to be all white because I don't like white that much.
Why you don't like white?
You know, I just don't like it a little. But it's still my favorite. Black and white. I don't know what color is this, but it looks dark blue in the paint, but it doesn't look like dark blue, right? Here.
It's blue. So Kuya Vince is on his third.
I'm done with the second, so I'm going to the third pet. Oopsie, it's turning to dark green now. I messed up. I'm winning.
Are you sure you're winning?
Hey,
I'm done.
Oh, come on! No fair.
Okay, I'm done with my third animal.
What is this?
A blue horse.
It's a blue horse. Okay. So Kuya Vince is done. We'll wait for Anishka.
Did you know we can use these as a fridge magnet with this?
I put blue eyes so the fish can't be sad.
I have a problem.
It looks happy.
What's your problem?
Doesn't stick.
So I guess we need a glue.
Yeah.
It's the fish.
The fish.
With the blue eyes. It looks like a monster.
I know.
Now we're going to put the magnet on the animals so that we can stick it on the fridge.
That's correct.
So this is double purpose.
There we go. The ice fish looks lively. Aye!
So we're done with mold and paint cute pets. Here they are.
So this is mine, the cat, parrot, and the fish.
And these are mine, the bunny, dog, and the blue pony.
And I kinda wanna paint again.
So more plaster and the mold, so we can just do it over and over again. So comment down below which is the best design out of all. This is mine. Looks very cool.
Pick mine.
No, pick mine.
No, it's mine.
Mine's better.
No, mine.
So this is a good toy to buy. It's also very fun to play with your friends and family.
We had fun today.
Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, comment and share, and turn on the post notifications.
Yes, always turn on the notification bell so you will be updated with our latest video.
Bye
Goodbye.
guys!
Meanwhile, check out our other videos.
The unboxing of things. Bye!